Blacked Out Jeep Wrangler here. Welcome back to another vlog. Well, today is the day we hit 10,000 subscribers. I am super happy. Thank you everyone. A special thanks to two people especially. That's Neo at GTA Jeeps for that awesome build, his support. It's my vision and it's his accessories that have made my Jeep what it is today. And for my wife for sticking with me and supporting me with this crazy idea of getting a YouTube channel going and trying out one video that just rolled on to over 100 videos that we have today. So thank you for putting up with me and my crazy ideas and my weekends that I just run off to get some exciting stuff done. So with that great news, we're doing a giveaway. We got these amazing headlights. They are by Envy. These have these amazing LEDs. They look, I'm gonna show you a display of how it looks real quick. They are on Instagram, on Facebook. So we are giving these away to one lucky winner. We're gonna be drawing the winner on March the 25th. And I'm gonna be giving you guys exactly 1 week to respond back. All you have to do is comment below under my video saying why you guys would like to win these and what you think about my channel. You have to be following me on Instagram at 2015 Wrangler, and do me a favor and follow GTA Jeeps on Instagram as well. So yeah, I'm gonna have all the details below. Please be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and those are the rules to win. And so by the 25th, we'll be announcing the winner. I'll be giving you guys a week to get back to me. And if I don't hear from you a week after the 25th, I'll be announcing a new winner. We'll be doing another draw. So super excited to get these over to you. I wish you guys best of luck. Thank you again for 10,000 subscribers. We also just hit 2 million views on my channel. So I had to do it a little bigger than just the usual stuff. We'll also be getting decals as well, along with the headlights. So if you're interested in other NV products, do check out that website. I'm gonna have it below. But best of luck to each and every one of you, and thank you all. Till next time, remember, Jeep, just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.